Okay, excited about a new range of paints I've got in my studio. We're going to have a look at these paints, see how they perform. And it's inspiring me to do a whole painting demonstration for you as well, something I've done before in oils. I'm going to see if these paints are going to give me similar results as well. So let's have a look at what's just arrived in my studio. As you can see, it's the Golden Open Acrylics. These are specially formulated to be slow drying, and how do I know that? It even says so on the tube. Slow drying acrylics. I've got a new set here, as I said, in my typical palette colors. Warm and cool primaries, some convenience colors and white. I got my acrylic brushes here, my De La Rani acrylic brushes, and I'm going to do a painting, and specifically the purpose of the painting is to see whether these acrylics are going to give me the working experience of oils. The slow drying being the primary reason for trying that out, because maybe I want to paint outdoors with acrylics. They're also easier to transport, less things to add to them or cleaning up. So this could be the answer to get me something that resembles the oils for slow drying purposes and also vibrancy. These are artist quality. Let's have a look at the colors quickly. I've got Naphthol Red Light, that'll be my warm red. I've got Quinacridone Red, which will be my cool. Cadmium Yellow Primrose, that's going to be my cool yellow. Cadmium Yellow Dark is going to be my warm yellow. Cerulean Blue is my cool blue. Ultramarine is my warm blue. I've got Burnt Sienna and Yellow Ochre for convenience. My Titanium White brushes. I've got some water, my palette. I'm working on some Fabriano paper, which is suitable for oils and acrylics. I've toned it with red acrylic. It's now dry, and I'm ready to start painting. So if you're interested to see how this works out, please make sure you catch the full painting demonstration that I do of these fabulous acrylics. Or are they fabulous? Let's find out.